6 foods that fight inflammation and help you lose weight. Inflammation is the body's attempt to protect itself from even more serious damage, and begin with the healing process. In case of an injury or sickness, chemicals from the body's white blood cells are released into the blood to protect your body from pathogens. Thus, it may lead to redness, swelling, heat, or pain. Therefore, inflammation is a normal response of the immune system in the healing process of your body. Yet the immune system may overreact and attack healthy cells. This can happen in the case of those who suffer from celiac disease, arthritis, irritable bowel disease, and fibromyalgia. Inflammation can worsen the symptoms of other illnesses. For example, creating insulin resistance in people with diabetes and making the airways more sensitive in those with asthma. Also, you should avoid heavily processed foods and focus on vegetables, fruits, and omega-3 foods. Thus, will provide the body with the required minerals, antioxidants, and essential fatty acids. The following 6 foods fight inflammation and help you lose weight. Pineapple. Those powerful enzymes in pineapples reduce the inflammation, prevent blood clotting, and regulate the immune response. Turmeric. The active ingredient found in turmeric, which is known as curcumin, is extremely beneficial to quickly battle inflammation. Also, it replaces the popular anti-inflammatory drugs, including aspirin and ibuprofen. Blueberries. Blueberries contain a rich amount of this powerful antioxidant called quercetin, a flavonoid which fights inflammation, and prevents oxidative stress. Green tea. This tea has great anti-inflammatory properties. Also, it contains a polyphenol, which is one of the most potent substances in green tea. Additionally, it prevents cellular damage and reduces the overproduction of inflammatory substances in the body. Beets. Beets are high in fiber and antioxidants, which help repair cell damage caused by inflammation. Also, high magnesium levels are often scarce in those with inflammatory conditions. Dark, leafy greens. Dark green leafy vegetables are great in minerals and vitamins, like calcium, iron, and phytochemicals, that help fight illness. The fiber they have helps to fight inflammation.